Torrent Lows 2. I made one, but I deleted it by accident. Okay. There's a Wheelock AS. If I can unfocus this darn camera. There we go. I swear iPhones are the hardest freaking thing. Okay, way up there. Oh, you can't really see it that well. I'll go over here. Right there. There was a Wheelock strobe of some sort. You probably couldn't see it very well because it was right in the middle of a light fixture. And there's a Wheelock AS right there. You can't really see it that well. But, yeah, it's there. There's a Wheelock strobe. There's a Wheelock strobe, and it looks like it's coming off the ceiling. I don't remember what the pole stations are. I think they're like BG12s or something. I don't remember, but,
Robbie,
yeah.
override, please.
Yeah, I don't know if there's anything else that really needs to necessarily be shown. Well, on the emergency exit, there's blue Commander 3s and whatever, the Wheelock AS. There's a close-up, well, come on. There's a closer up of the Wheelock strobe. I used to think they were MTs, but now that I can see it a bit better, they're actually Wheelock strobes. I don't know what kind, but it's a type with no fire lettering on it. So, well, it has it on the strobe because there's that other one, that little square thing in the light there. The little square thing, that's a Wheelock strobe. Yeah, and there's a sprinkler right there. It's kind of hard to see, but yeah. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where there's like accidental floods. I'm gonna try to find a key station. If they got one. I think they have key stations in here somewhere. Oh, not on that. Well, there's one at the top of it. Nope. There's that Wheelock strobe again. There's a sprinkler right there, and right there, and right there. They have a lot of sprinklers. Obviously. And way over there, you probably can't see it very well, but that little blue thing right there is a Commander 3, a blue one, just like the one I have, and a Wheelock AS. I'm sure you can't really see it that well, but yeah, it's kind of hard to film these places because some people will take it personally. Are those the kind you want me to? Oh, they fit, yeah. Well, yeah. Well, that's about it. The outdoor alarm is an AS. And, yeah, they have a... Way over there, they have an AS. Oh, and the pole stations are Silent Night pole stations of some sort. They kind of look like BG8s. Or, yeah, they kind of look like BG... They look a bit like BG8s. It's that type of Silent Night police station. I forgot the mall of it, but yeah.